Collisions between two aircraft are horrific, and sadly, most are preventable. Not looking outside, not using the radio. As pilots, there's more things inside the aircraft stealing our attention than ever before. And with that, the skies are more crowded with aircraft than ever before. Let's talk about what you can do to make your flights safer next on the Rotorcraft Collective.
Back when the Wright brothers first flew, looking outside was natural. Hazards to aircraft like mountains, trees, towers, and other aircraft were all outside the airplane, and there just wasn't much to see inside the cockpits of that era. The first recorded civilian mid-air collision happened in April of 1922 in the skies over northern France, 18 years after the Wrights' first flight. 7 people were killed, with low visibility as the problem for those pilots. Today is GPS, moving maps, synthetic vision, traffic advisories, weather overlays, and personal devices, all demanding the pilot's attention in the cockpit. But the things we hit are still outside the aircraft. There should be a sense of timing involved with looking outside, where the hair on the back of your neck stands up when you haven't in a while. Many of us have grown complacent with the responsibility to look for other aircraft, including now drones. Whether you're flying near an airport, an air tour route, news happening, sporting event, or just on a cross country, we should spend more time scanning the skies. Some of our recommendations may sound familiar, but let's cover them as a reminder. Go back to looking outside. Scan the skies around you in segments and repeat. Be more vigilant around airports, heliports, and high traffic areas like VORs, coastlines, and sightseeing attractions. When possible, use VFR flight following from ATC for an extra set of eyes. Have your passengers scan for traffic for the moments when you need to go heads down. And don't stay heads down for long. Refresh yourself on nighttime scanning limitations and techniques. They are different than what we use during the day. Practice workload management. Unnecessary things you do take your focus inside when you should be scanning outside.
The regulations make maintaining vigilance to see and avoid other aircraft the responsibility of every pilot. For more ideas on the see and avoid concept, look for the links in the description for this video. When flying under VFR, remember, the first word is visual. For the FAA safety team and the United States Helicopter Safety Team, I'm Scott Newsom.